In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail filter for a specific sender to automatically organize emails. If your inbox feels cluttered or you want messages from certain people to be handled the same way every time, filters are your best friend. We'll walk through creating a filter for a sender and choosing exactly what happens to their emails going forward. For the smoothest experience, do this in a desktop browser, as Gmail's full filter controls are available on the web. Start by opening Gmail and finding an email from the sender you want to filter. You have two easy options here. Either check the box to the left of the message in your inbox or open the email itself. Both paths lead to the same place, so choose whichever feels natural. Next, look for the More icon, the three vertical dots. If you opened the message, you'll see this near the top right of the email, close to the reply area. If you selected the email with the checkbox, you'll see a More menu appear along the top toolbar of the inbox. Click that. From the menu that appears, select filter messages like these. Gmail will automatically pre-fill the From field with the sender's email address. This is the heart of your filter and usually all you need. If you want to narrow it further, you can add criteria such as words in the subject, whether the email has attachments or other details to precisely target only the messages you care about. A little specificity can prevent overfiltering and keep important items visible. When your criteria look right, click Create Filter. Now you'll choose what happens when Gmail finds a match. A popular choice is Apply the Label, which helps you group messages and find them quickly later. You can also mark them as read, star them, or choose to skip the inbox so they're archived with a label for a cleaner view. If you rely on spam protection but never want to miss this sender, consider selecting Never Send It to Spam. Pick only the actions that make sense for how you work. Before finishing, look for the option to apply this filter to matching conversations. Checking this box tells Gmail to clean up and organize existing emails that already fit your criteria, not just the ones that arrive in the future. It's a great way to catch up instantly. Finally, click Create Filter again to confirm. That's it. From now on, emails that meet your criteria will be handled automatically, keeping your inbox tidy and your important messages exactly where you expect them. If you ever need to refine the filter later, you can adjust it in Gmail settings.